A very, very good morning, all of you. Welcome back on this incredible journey. So happy and grateful to be here and begin this day with all of you here. We begin with a minute of silence and then we start with the check in. You can slowly open your eyes. Good morning, everybody. Welcome. As always, we begin with just one line or few lines of check in. What is present or what you're grateful for? I'll go first. Grateful to be here on this bittersweetness of this almost coming to the end. We are almost in the final weeks. And also a lot of gratitude for what has unfolded here. Grateful for myself, for life, for guidance, for satsang, and for what is to come. Thank you all. Whoever would like to go next.
Can I go ahead? Yeah. I think I'm grateful just to be dry right now. It's pouring cats and dogs here. And I'm also happy to be here. Satsang, like you said it, उसका feel ही अलग है, उसका मजा ही अलग है. And thank you for letting me host it in whatever capacity I could. It's been a new experience. Random acts of kindness was also a new experience. So अच्छी दोस्ती की अच्छे लोगों से, तो here I am.
Bro, thank you for hosting. I don't think we would have come this far this effortlessly
Yeah,
without
but so
all
many people have
stepping in.
joined in. So many people. Drishti has been reading. Kunal has been reading.
Yeah,
Gaurav has been
exactly.
explaining. So many.
Everybody.
Everybody's come together. Everybody's sharing their experiences. कितना सीखने को मिलता है. मतलब कितनी सारी stories सुन के कितना अच्छा लगता है. Really, I'm happy and grateful to be here.
Yes, Drishti.
I think very similar, as I said yesterday also, that I'm very grateful that we're doing this together. Um, and yeah, I think just overall grateful for so many friends. I was just reminded yesterday when I saw Bhumi's video of so many acts of kindness that we did on the streets. Uh, so used to just go on streets and find excuses to do that. So it just brought such big smile on my face because it's such a different phase in life, and suddenly I was feeling कितने बड़े हो गए वो सब करते थे कितना effortlessly when 10 years back. So it was very nice to see that video after a very long time.
Drishti, I think your journey with the Move by Love community has been just so deep and incredible. And right now, I'm also imagining what those simple acts gave in our lives. Someday we'll share that. Thank you.
I can go. Thanks, Bhumi, for inviting.
I missed
I
you,
think,
Archana. Good to see you back.
yeah. And so I was like in awe yesterday with, looking at like it was an 11-year-old video. I think I could recognize Bhumi
13,
that
13. I was
13.
surprised. It's 13-year-old.
Yeah. And it was Bhumi and who all were there. I was like,
Kancho.
oh my God. Okay. So it was so lovely to see, and yeah, I think it was a joyful thing to see the whole video. Thank you so much for sharing that. And I am just present to that I can be giving without receiving, and that's okay. And I think I love that in some ways. But yeah, in between there was something happened wherein I couldn't give without receiving. But I think again coming back to is so meaningful and powerful for me. Thank you so much for showing that to me.
Thank you for opening your hearts and being on this journey. Yeah, gir ke bina, like there is no success without failure. There is no getting there without not getting there. So it's all leading us to it. And I think the journey is like when, again, one of the gurus says, ke, ek act ko itna fully karo that act itself becomes like, nourishing. It's about the journey, not the destination. So when giving is so full, that giving becomes receiving. There is the giving, if done with heart, becomes your receiving. Because I don't think if we give to receive, it's a business. But if giving is coming from such love and it's such fullness, that that act of giving becomes the act of receiving. So,
I would like to add to that.
yeah.
Yesterday we missed you, Archana. So one of the things which we learned was this: ki whatever we are giving, right? But how we are receiving, that is beyond our comprehension. So maybe something good you've done previously, उसके लिए आज हमें फल मिल रहे हैं, XYZ, right? So maybe you feel like you're not receiving right now and you're just giving, but when it will come, how it will be leaps and bounds, and you'd be like, ki, suddenly I'm just receiving, receiving, receiving. So we cannot put a timeline to it for sure, and how it will come is beyond our comprehension. So I would say, don't say not receiving. We are receiving, and we will receive more and more in leaps and bounds in abundance. And that's what I wish for everyone. Like,
And I think the sentence is there is no giving without receiving or receiving without giving. Like when receiving is also done so wholesomely that itself, like I would say this sessions really, I don't know who is giving, who is receiving. Because first of all, I don't know how it unfolded, but अगर मैं यहाँ बैठी हूँ कोई है ही नहीं, there is no session. अगर आप लोग present नहीं हो, there is no session. If everybody is not fully, like, I have seen the difference between when the presence is there or not there. So really the boundaries are blurred when there is willingness and there is openness and love. So there is no giving without receiving or receiving without giving. But we sit with it. There is nothing, no fixed line. Whatever we say holds true. So invitation for all of us, because we receive endlessly this breath also that is keeping us alive. How fully are we receiving? How gratefully are we receiving? So if we change that quality in us, it has to reflect. Yes, so we are summarizing our relationship chapter. I think the most crucial and the most beautiful chapter so far. क्योंकि ये relationship हमारा biggest domain है, biggest domain in which we can magnify our love, we can self-express our love, we can, in this factory, we can create love, and we can touch people with that love and transform both our lives together. So this is the biggest privilege and opportunity to bask in love with relationship. So we are going to do points of power with relationship. And I will start reading from the first point, that with every single person you come in contact, you are either giving love or you are not. And based on what you give, that is what you receive. So again, जो हम देंगे वो मिलेगा, और हम क्या देंगे, जो quality हमारी है, is what we will give. So what quality are we holding in us is going to be the crucial aspect for everything. अगर मेरे अंदर डर है, गुस्सा है, अभाव है, I will only be able to give that, and I will only be able to receive that. So how do I shift from abhav to bhav, from scarcity to abundance, from hatred to love, from fear to love, and make that my quality? And then in every interaction, I give love and then I receive love. Because based on what you give is what you will receive. It's that simple. It's a simple math. It's a law. अगर हमें कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है, it's an invitation कि हम कहाँ नहीं दे रहे हैं. Because जो हमें मिल रहा है, most definitely हम वही दे रहे हैं. So till the time we don't change what we are giving, we will keep receiving, because outside is just mirroring us. Drishti, you can read next 3 points and then I'll explain.
Give love to others through kindness, encouragement, support, gratitude, or any good feeling, and it comes back to you multiplied in every area of your life. Look for the things you love in a relationship more than you notice negative things, and it will appear as if something incredible has happened to the other person. Trying to change another person, thinking you know what is best for another person, thinking you are right and another person is wrong, is not giving love.
Profound. Yes. So, agar mere andar love hai, if I am like, holding more love in me, then naturally in my actions also, I will be naturally kind. I will be naturally encouraging, supportive. in gratitude, or any good feelings. And because that is my quality, that is what I will do and have. So simply being, doing, having. If so, again, to simplify, kindness, encouragement, support, gratitude, being in good feelings are ways we can be loving. We can hold that love in our heart. Because अगर अंदर डर है और अगर मैं ऊपर से वाह वाह थैंक यू कर रही हूँ, तो what I will get is also superficial love. So it is very important what we are holding in us, and that lacing our actions with that, and then we'll be open to receiving it. So if outside se wo nahi mil raha hai, the invitation is how inside we can, create more space for that. I think this is literally the biggest magic factor for all our relationships, because हम व्हाइट शर्ट पे काला दाग देख रहे हैं और वो दाग को निकालने के लिए अपना कालापन भी वो दाग पे जा रहा है और वो शर्ट और काला काला हो रहा है. Then till the time it becomes एकदम ही useless, and that's what we are doing to ourselves and our relationships. हम खुद में भी हम लाखों अच्छी चीजें कर रहे हैं, हम 5 अच्छी चीज नहीं कर रहे. हम पहले खुद को we beat down ke, you're not good enough, you're this, you're that, you're lazy, and then we bring that to our relationships. So instead, can we start looking what is working, what we are doing right within us and in our rishtas, in our relationships? Because अगर सिर्फ 3 चीज पकड़ लो, अपने पेरेंट्स की, अपने पार्टनर की, खुद की, और उसके लिए इतना ग्रैटिट्यूड दो, इतना ग्रैटिट्यूड दो, इतना ग्रैटिट्यूड दो, that those 3 things will transform everything about how you see yourself, how you see them, how you see the rishta. So this is the power of giving love, because जहां देखोगे वो एनर्जी जाएगी और वो मैग्निफाई होगा, and before you know it, your life will be in it, surrounded in it. Looking for things you love in a relationship more than you notice negative things, it will appear as if something incredible has happened to the other person. And it works, guys. It works. Start with yourself. Give love to yourself for all that you have been doing and continue to do. And then for all the other things. And you will see magic in all areas of your life. Okay, trying to change another person, thinking you know what is best for another person, thinking you are right and another person is wrong, is not giving love, is not. हम हमारे लिए love का यही definition हो गया ना, अरे मैं तुझे सुधार रही हूँ, because I love you. अरे I want you to feel better, I want you to look this way, I want you to act this way because I love you, because no, that is not love. That is cunning. That is love का mask पहन के अंदर उसकी, and because we are not able to fix ourselves, we wear the mask of love, we wear the mask of mother, daughter, father, wife, and we go on fixing people, and that is not love. That is not giving love. I think here I want to say how this transforms. I've said it few times that I've had tough phases in my shadi. And I think it was literally just one person. Because of this, I wanted to get better. Because of this, I wanted to make living in Mumbai work. I wanted to break all the barriers about myself that I was giving of why it should not work. And that is my mother-in-law. I mean, and what she did, nothing. 3 साल, 3.5 साल. I think never once has she said, "Beta, आप ये गलत कर रहे हो." कि ये बदलना चाहिए. I think whenever I was heavy or I was feeling too much, I would go just once in few months, just 15 minutes I will talk. She will listen without giving gyan, without giving judgment, truly just understanding and accepting, not once giving gyan also. She's just yes, I get you. Just get you. And I think she will blow my mind to the point I'm how can somebody be like this? How can somebody be this open and this loving? Because I think इस level का मैंने कहीं नहीं देखा था. And literally, I think I would have prayed कि I want what she has. I want what she has. And I don't know how and when I can come on that level where you can just let the other person be the way they are and love the way they are and the way they are not. And that is the best thing you can do, because everybody is equipped to heal themselves. But everybody would like once in a while that place to just hold and take a breath, Can we be that place where we love and allow them the way they are and they do the rest of the work? I mean, really, if there is one person I give full credit to, is just her loving presence. And Kanchu Kunal says that, she has also had her share of ups and downs in life, but when she gave herself to Gurudwara, when she gave herself to, that bhakti and that devotion, today she has been able to cultivate that love in her, and that is present to whoever is willing. So, yes, I think just allowing the person the way they are is the biggest form of love, and changing them, fixing them, pushing them कि मुझे पता है तेरे लिए क्या सही है, it's just cunning and selfish. Selfish तो हर चीज है, but it's cunning and deceiving. So yes, and it's definitely not giving love. Yes, Drishti.
Criticizing, blaming, complaining, nagging, or finding faults with another person is not giving love. You have to be happy to receive the happy versions of other people. The force of love presents you with a whole array of personal emotional trainers, disguised as everyday people, but they are all training you to choose love.
So यही पहले के point का extension is fixing somebody, criticizing, blaming, complaining. They are all fear-based emotions. They are all अपनी need के it's a victim emotion के I am not enough in myself. You act a certain way, you be a certain way, you do things as I want you to do. And only then I can love you, or only then I can accept you. It is far from love. It is rather reminder that this is not loving. This is like Bandar trying to, take the fish out of the water and keep it on the tree. So you have to be happy to receive happy version of ourselves. This is for success, health, happiness, रिश्ता. पहले अंदर खुशी फिर वो बाहर दिखेगी. पहले अंदर खुशी फिर वो बाहर. Because हमारे filter में अगर कोई loving भी हो रहा है, but if my filter is of hate, that love will come to me and convert to hate. So even other person के loving versions के लिए मुझे पहले loving और खुश होना पड़ेगा. And the force of love presents you with a whole array of personal emotional trainers जो हमने देखे. So these people are actually our mirrors. हमें लग रहा है वो हमारे emotional trainers हो रहे हैं, हम उनके भी वही level के emotional trainers हैं. What they are triggering in us, we are triggering in them. But again, अगर if it's like eye for an eye will make the whole nation blind. अगर ये बोलेगा नहीं तूने मुझे दुख पहुंचाया and I will be nasty to you, and then they'll do to you and you do to them, and that cycle doesn't stop. We see, okay, he or she is just showing what is in me. And those emotional trainers ends up being the most closest people, because बाकी सबके पास तो हम mask पहन के we just so yes, these people are our biggest mirrors to really show ये अंदर ये factory में ये cooker में क्या emotions दबे हुए हैं, and with their touch those things just blast out simply because we are holding that. So these people are here to just train us more to love. Let's thank them for showing what we are holding in us and use that opportunity to transform them to love. Yes, Trishti.
You can stick everyone you loved, everything. You can stick everything you loved and want to you by looking for the things you love in other people and saying yes to those qualities with all your heart. You can't talk about or hear negativity and have good feelings. Life is presenting every person and circumstance to you so you can choose what you love and what you don't love. When you react to anything, you are reacting with your feelings. And as you do, you are choosing it.
I think this has been the most profound thing, that you can stick everything you love and want by looking for the things you love in other person and saying yes to those qualities with all your heart. So जो हमें चाहिए उसको बहुत प्यार दो. But another thing that was in the chapter कि जो नहीं चाहिए उसको कुछ भी एनर्जी मत दो, क्योंकि अगर उसको एनर्जी दी, अगर उसको हेट्रेड की भी एनर्जी दी, उसको कोई भी इमोशन और अटेंशन दिया, वो आके तुम्हारे लाइफ में चिपक जाएगा. सो जो चाहिए उसको बहुत प्यार दो, और जो जो नहीं चाहिए उसको न्यूट्रल रखो. उसको प्यार दिया तो भी चिपकेगा, उसको डर हेट्रेड ब्लेम दिया तो भी चिपकेगा, और वो डर हेट्रेड ब्लेम की तरह चिपकेगा. तो जो सिचुएशंस में मजा नहीं आ रहा है, अगर उसमें और नेगेटिविटी दी तो वो सिचुएशन बद से बदतर होगी. दैट इज एडिंग फ्यूल टू द फायर. बट अगर फायर छोटी है, उसको जाने दोगे, उसको कुछ नहीं करोगे, वो खुद बुझ जाएगी। जो नहीं चाहिए वहां पे अटेंशन बिल्कुल नहीं देना है, और जो चाहिए उसमें इतना प्यार डालो, इतना अटेंशन डालो, इतना यस डालो, वो तुम्हारे पास है, तो चाहे किसी और के पास भी हो, बट उसको इतना यस डालो। लाइक व्हेन आई अप्रिशिएटेड दैट लव क्वालिटी in my mother-in-law, something in me began to open, something जिसके लिए दरवाजे थे ही नहीं, वो कहाँ से तो आए, and at least 1% of it is starting to, come to me. So again, जो चाहिए उसके लिए प्यार दो, things will shift. You can't talk about or hear negativity and have good feelings. I think this we have seen with everything. Okay? हम किसी को भी बुरा बोलेंगे, हम खुद में वही चीज क्रिएट करेंगे और खुद के लिए वही चीज इनवाइट करेंगे. सो नेगेटिविटी न्यूज ऑल्सो दे मेक अस फील सैड, एंड फिर हम एक स्पाइरल में चले जाते हैं, एंड वी एक्सेप्ट इट एज रियलिटी. बट let's stay away, because whenever we are on that frequency, we become that. And life is presenting every person's circumstance, so we can choose what we love and what we don't love. When you react to anything, you are reacting with your feelings, and as you do, you are choosing it. I think this is what I explained in the first this thing, कि जहां भी मैंने इमोशंस दिए वो चीज मेरे पे चिपक गई, जहां भी मैंने अटेंशन दिया वो चीज मेरे पे चिपक गई. अभी कहीं लव से अटेंशन दिया तो वो चीज मेरे अंदर लव लेके आएगी, कहीं हेट्रेड से अटेंशन दिया तो वो चीज मेरे अंदर हेट्रेड लेके आएगी. आई थिंक देयर वाज वंस एक स्पाइरल में जा रही थी मैं, वेर कोई चीज मुझे अच्छी नहीं लग रही थी और मेरे दिमाग में मैं उसको इतना बड़ा बना रही थी, एंड मैंने एक तभी कोई कोट पढ़ा, एंड दैट shifted something to me. That's like, before now leaving, you will make sure that you will make that situation so wrong, and that itself will work against you, or something like that. And I'm like, हाँ, एक चीज मुझे नहीं पसंद आ रही थी, मैंने उसको अपने दिमाग में इतना गंदा और इतना बड़ा बना दिया. That gives me justification to be the way I am, and do whatever I want in that situation, or leave the situation, or whatever. But when I am making somebody else wrong, what I will be is more wrong. मैं वहां से निकल के भी, I knew that it won't work for me. So simply, अगर हम किसी चीज को बहुत नेगेटिविटी देंगे खुद को सच बनाने को, what we will get is more wrongness in our life. So जो चाहिए उसको प्यार दो, जो नहीं चाहिए उसको जीरो एनर्जी दो, तो वो पास हो जाएगा. उसको कोई भी पकड़ी हुई एंगर, हेटरेड या कोई भी एनर्जी दी, वो चिपक जाएगा. यस कंचू.
So to add to what you said, हनुमान में ही एक और देर इज दिस लाइन, सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सिंह दिखावा, बिकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा. तो just like Hanuman ji is blessed to take the size of a tiny ant, or as massive as a mountain as he can be. So I think we also all have that capability कि कोई भी एक event जो हमारी life में होता है, we can either keep spiraling on it and like make it so big. And when we actually sit down in calmness, वो स्थिरता में हम in retrospect देखते हैं, तो कभी कभी वो बात इतनी बड़ी भी नहीं लगती है. It's our inner state which is making it either so big, और कभी कभी बहुत बड़ी बात होती है, but you can make it like ठीक है, let it pass. You can make it so small. So, just like Hanumanji, I think we all have that few hidden powers which we have. We actually see mythological stories wahi hai. It reminds us of things which are already there in a different manner. वो एक story form में है, but वही चीजें हमारे अंदर भी है. So yeah, that's it.
थैंक यू कंचू. एंड दैट्स वाई हमारी लाइफ से अच्छी चीजें जो हमें नहीं पसंद ना, वो नहीं निकल सकती जब तक हम उसको बड़ा 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 बना देंगे. हम बेचारे, ये हुआ, ऐसे हुआ, हम उसको वो स्टोरी से पकड़े रख रहे हैं. The moment we are letting go, we are dropping it, we will see life will transform, things will transform.
And one more thing, I'm grateful to you, like, to remove the word bechara from my vocabulary. I have used it so much, and you've brought it to my awareness. And somehow I feel जो हम बोलते हैं, जो हमारी vocabulary का भी shift है, it is massive. The change is massive. I remember long ago, I think one of the early days when we had become friends. So I had a habit of all the people who don't know, I had a habit of using quite foul language, youngster kind of thing. So I used to say, FTW in full words, and or like, but and I still remember that specific day in Spiti Valley when, Bhavna asked me, why are you saying these words? What does it mean? And I'm like, just fuck the world. Like, but Q. And, in my mind, I know I was trying to be cool. But when someone asked me, it compelled me to think कि मैं casually में भी negative क्यों बोल रही हूँ? क्या मैं ये चाहती हूँ? मैं नहीं चाहती हूँ। इट अगेन उसके बाद मैं इमीडिएटली नहीं चेंज हुई। इट टुक मी टाइम, अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू लाइक नॉट लॉट ऑफ टाइम बट एक अवेयरनेस आ जाती है तो एक नेचुरल शिफ्ट ऑफ लैंग्वेज, वोकैबुलरी, इट मेक्स ह्यूज डिफरेंस डेफिनेटली। सो आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू यू फॉर दैट ब्रो।
Yes. And अगर हम ये aware होते जाएंगे ना, I think in our interactions we will know because people will give away what really they are creating for their life. If somebody like again मैं एक friend का example दे रही थी that friend had the most terrible marriage of just 6 months जहाँ पे वो लड़की ने उन पे इतना केस किया उतना कुछ किया that he is not able to even enter the country now. But if you see in his language, he's like लोग तो यहाँ पे सी बनाने को ही आते हैं, अरे लॉयर्स तो यहाँ पे ये बनाने को ही आते हैं, अरे ये तो इसमें like in that 10 minute of conversation I just heard 10 times this, like how with our words we are manifesting what we don't want. We will see it everywhere. Somebody will keep saying life is kind, and that's how life works. I would really say पता नहीं मैंने किससे pick किया, maybe my father, that life is kind, अरे life बहुत kind है. Just with the way I say it, I think the toughest lesson to me have come with kindness. To the point I'm like, यार भगवान थोड़ा तो मतलब I'm suffering but I have nobody to blame. What do I do? So I have to work on myself. So if whatever we say becomes, we will see somebody is like, okay, let's take on the challenge. So what they are saying is this, okay, bring it as a challenge. Where somebody says, let's unfold it. So what they will say, okay, let's bring it as a flow. So we will start catching others and ourselves. Like again, a recent conversation with a relative. He's like, हाँ यार, life तो मुश्किल रहेगी ही, रिश्ते तो मुश्किल रहेंगे ही. I'm like, why? So simply, her people have chosen different ways to reach to that lesson. And simply by shifting our language, we can shift that lesson, how it comes. Lesson will come. But how we will bring that lesson to us is with us. Whether it is with love or hatred, fear or gratitude, is in our words, in our feelings. So yeah.
Sorry, just to add one more thing. I remember my prayers had also changed कि पहले मैं ऐसे pray करती थी कि भगवान शक्ति दो, like, to go through this life. And then there was like when I actually learned gratitude, तो फिर prayer बदल गई कि नहीं भगवान, I'm happy with सुख शांति, शांति is good, शांति is good, peace is good, content is good. तो from शक्ति देना भगवान से हो गया content and peace. तो वो भी बहुत छोटा वर्ड का शिफ्ट है और वो ऐसे कोई गलत चीज नहीं मांग रहे हैं, हम शक्ति मांग रहे हैं। पर अगर आप शक्ति मांग रहे हो तो शक्ति के साथ वो फेस करने के लिए चीजें भी आ रही है ना, तो यस।
Deep. If only prayer you ever said, and thank you, that will be enough. Yes. Thank you.
You can't change a negative situation with bad feelings. If you keep reacting negatively, your bad feelings will magnify and multiply the negativity. If you're feeling fantastic, the force of your magnetic field creates a shield that no negativity can penetrate. Changing the way you'll feel is easy compared to running around trying to change the circumstance of the outside world. Change your feelings, and the outside circumstances will change.
Finish it. Read it.
The more you give love and feel good, the more magnetic your field becomes, and the more it expands, drawing everything and everyone you love to you.
Yes. So, ये हम एक और बार reaffirm करेंगे. You can't change negative situations with bad feelings. We do that so often, and we wonder कि ये चीज खत्म क्यों नहीं होती. हम आग में पानी ये तेल डालेंगे तो आग बढ़ेगी. अगर हम नेगेटिव सिचुएशन में नेगेटिविटी डालेंगे तो वो और बढ़ेगी. We cannot bring end to it by feeling more negative about it. If you keep reacting negatively, your bad feelings will magnify and multiply the negativity. we have to just look at our lives. Our life is an easy explanation of how we are on self-help to destroy ourselves. I will not say more about this point because we are all masters of doing it. If you're feeling fantastic, the force of love, your magnetic field creates a shield that no negativity can penetrate. So, if we take this part and this, that more love you give and feel good, more magnetic your field becomes, more it expands, drawing everything and everyone to you that you love. So again, Buddha had a halo, Jesus had a halo. What they are saying is they have mastered their field, they have become now such a shield, such a field के उनके लाइफ में कुछ भी होगा, it will transform into love. उनके लाइफ में कोई भी आएगा, that energy will transform into love. And so many of the gurus have taken opportunity to convey it in the most cruelest ways, in the sense some chosen to be fried in an big this thing of oil के तुम मुझे ऑयल में भी तलोगे तो भी मेरे अंदर से जो निकलेगा वो प्यार निकलेगा. तुम मुझे एक नेल भी कर दोगे, मेरे पे खिल्ले भी ठोकोगे तो भी मेरे अंदर से जो निकलेगा वो ब्लेसिंग्स और प्यार निकलेगा. I think they're shouting out. It's not about what happens to us. On the outside, the cruelest things happen. But तुम्हारी जो quality है वो बाहर आएगी. So they are just, this is their final, testament के I am love, so whatever will touch me will become love. So when we are loving, we will see a field is created where only good things can come to us. And whatever will come will transform into love. So that's how we are creators. It's never about the other person. What we are giving out is what we are receiving. It is in the field, and similar people, situations, and circumstances will come in our lives. Changing the way you feel is easy compared to changing and running around the world. जो हम करने लगते हैं, तू बदल, तू बदल, तू बदल, तू बदल, and it never, ever, ever, ever works. Because it is not supposed to work. Simply our work is this one. Other people, how they are feeling is their responsibility. How I am feeling is my responsibility. And the moment I come to how I am feeling is my responsibility, just imagine what level of freedom that is. Just imagine लोग क्या कहेंगे will just drop out. Because जो भी लोग कहेंगे is about their insecurity, their limiting beliefs, and not about you. So when you stop fixing everything around you and bring the onus of how I feel back to you, magics will happen. मतलब इतना मजा आएगा जीने का. like अगर मेरे को 10 लाख की गाड़ी खरीदनी है और मेरे पास 10,000 रुपए है, क्योंकि मैंने 5 लाख कंचू को दे दिए, 2 लाख दृष्टि को दिए, 5,000 इसको दिए, 10,000 उसको दिए, तो मैं कभी वो गाड़ी नहीं खरीद पाऊंगी. सेम विथ अस, हमारे लाइफ में हमारे पास कुछ करने की एनर्जी ही नहीं है, बिकॉज हमने माँ बाप को मेजोरिटी इमोशंस दे के रखे हैं, हमारे रिलेटिव्स को और मेजोरिटी इमोशंस दे के रखे हैं, अपने स्पाउस और बच्चों को और इमोशंस दे के रखे हैं, तो हमारे पास तो कुछ है ही नहीं. दैट्स व्हाई वी कांट क्रिएट एनीथिंग वी वांट. Let's bring all the emotion ka onus on us. That no, I am responsible for how I feel and they are responsible for how they feel. And doesn't mean we go on being nasty to people. But because when naturally we'll have that witnesshood and with that the creatorhood, what we will emit is love naturally. But सबसे पहले जो 10,000 जगह पे हमने emotions डाल के रखे कि तुम्हारी वजह से, तुम्हारी वजह से, let's bring it back so we have energy to create what we want. We have energy to, अभी हमारी energy हमारे पास है ही नहीं. वो जो 10,000 जिनको हम ब्लेम करके बैठे हैं, जिसके पास हम विक्टिम बन के बैठे हैं, उसके पास है. That is the biggest cost of victimhood, that we cannot create the life we want. We are wasting this precious life and energy. And
Just
we'll
one more example is like कि हमने हमारी कंपनी की ओनरशिप शेयर्स में बांट दी है, तो it's time to buy back the shares. So we have the ownership of our own self.
so many a times the shareholders who are then taking the shots about the company, so many a times not working well, because we sold the rights. Time to bring them back. Lovely. Thank you. With that, we end the most important chapter. I think the invitation is कभी भी, मतलब रोज एटलीस्ट ये चैप्टर पढ़ लो, इसके 3 pages पढ़ लो. Like I remember again, whenever I am having fights, क्योंकि होता है भाई, कचरा तो अभी भी बहुत है, but I remember once in a while just getting back to this chapter, even a page shifts something in me. So invitation, it works for me even like now, the sometimes the fight, because अभी तुम महान बन के थोड़ा और दबाना सीख जाते हो, you know, so whatever shit has to then. So this chapter is very, very powerful. Invitation is book छोड़ दो, but keep coming back to this chapter, because relationship transform हो गए तो life will transform. So with that, we open the stage for each of us to share, because as we end the chapter, we take the sharing. So whatever is present, what you're taking back, what is alive, your biggest learning, you can share. Welcome, Chola. Good to have you. Yes, you can share.
Yes, hi. I missed many days but I've enjoyed whatever space I've been here. And I created space where I stand up for myself. So there are times when I'm in a relationship which are जब जब झगड़ा हो रहा है तो प्रॉपर झगड़ा हो जाता है, पर जो रिलेशन वर्क कर रहा है वहां पे असर्टिव होना, वो आई एम एबल टू डू and without any strong drama. Okay, just stand up for myself, just say I didn't like this. And also I'm like forgiving that person, but I'm standing up and saying I didn't like this.
That
Don't
is
shout at me and talk. So doing
that.
that with my husband is a big so pain. तो हमारा वो कैसे अलग तरीके से मुझे we forget the what happened. But this time I said I didn't like this. हम कोई और टॉपिक पे जाएंगे, कोई और चीजें करेंगे, पर वो टॉपिक को हम, और फिर वो वापस कभी कभी बाद में बोलेगा तू ही रॉन्ग थी, वो क्या करूँ, just this time he said I'll take care and you take care of these things. I said okay, sure. In this space is a constant generation, of my sense and love my space, because I keep suppressing myself. I'm not able to love. Neither am I able to experience love, nor am I able to express love. That's what I want to say. Thank you. Good work, all of you. Thank you.
So happy to hear, Chola, that you've come here just few times and you're taking back and already bringing it in your life. Thank you for sharing it. And yes, by making anybody wrong, we'll only be wrong. And I think that is the difference between victim to witness. When I'm victim, तेरी वजह से हो रहा है, तेरी वजह से हो रहा है. When I'm witnessing, I'm seeing what is not working, and it becomes in a conversation. Okay, hey, this is not working. It will help for me to do this. Instead of putting the blame on me, sharing the feeling as my feelings, and then taking their support in co-creating a more workable situation. And that is, I am right, you are right way. And then we win, both win. It's a win-win. So yeah, thank you.
So, मतलब मेरे को लग रहा है कि it's a long way to go.
If you say so.
Yeah, yeah, correct. My words have a lot of power, right? So I didn't buy the book, so I'm going to just buy this book and probably मुझे लगता है कि I need a repeat telecast. And as you said कि we are coming to an end. I'm also feeling this thing कि ये छूटेगा, right? But I think I'll go back to recordings and maybe touch base also. But this has been like wonderful. I'm learning so much from all of you. Thank you.
आज सिर्फ इतना बोलो, अरे ये बहुत इजीली आएगा, अरे ये बहुत इजीली आएगा, अरे ये बहुत इजीली आएगा.
Yes. Yeah. I'll just repeat that कि ये easily आने वाला है मेरे को.
आ गया. Great. Thank you. Yes, Kunal.
I think one of the beautiful things I think so what is like a constant small things what till we reach the final destination. But despite that, we keep on falling and never to uh, forget these things are so crucial, because in our heated moments, in our down moments, we often try to cloud ourselves with our thoughts, and then these small reminders of daily working on ourselves, daily working on our approaches just fixes so much. Like it's like going to a gym. Like your body remembers your exercise even if you have not worked out for maybe 2 3 4 years. A small correction, a small thing can set you on a journey, which we have seen a lot of times. We come across a lot of people who have achieved in their 50s, 60s, or any age of their life. It doesn't matter. The younger, the better, because you will have more life to enjoy this correct perspective of living life. So yeah, I think so. Thanks to a great reminder, and as Archana said, कि मतलब कि लगता है constant reminder sometimes. Like अभी मैं आज session, I was planning to be a little bit on the back seat and enjoy this, but at the same time मुझे वही लगा कि yeah, I'm missing out on something, a great reminder of the day, which pushed me to be here, and here I am.
क्या बात है.
तो
Thanks.
कल को स्क्रिप्ट दी क्या बावड़ू? All the right things, huh? I like it.
Thank you, Kunal, for sharing. मजा आया सुन के. Yes, Drishti.
Yeah, I can go next. I think when this chapter started, only I was telling my brother that this is the chapter, I'm here for, or whatever. Like, it's like, as Bhumi said, right? Like, if we forget everything else and just keep coming back to this chapter, also, so much kind of. At least for me, I feel there's so much work that needs here, and somehow I took photos of the point of power and I was sending him. And I was like, you know what? I found a key. These guys keep saying it as key, right? I was telling him that at least let's start with gratitude for parents, and then we will see what to do, where to do. So I think that's what is coming up for me. That I told him every single day, let's either send a message or a voice message on um, what we are grateful for to our parents, and then we'll see where to go, what to do. So yeah.
Wow, wow, wow. And don't make it a compulsion, from your heart, whatever flows. Mazedar. Great to hear, Drishti. Thank you. Okay.
Hi, good morning, everyone. I think I also will have to do a revision of whatever we have been discussing, because when we are in that moment, when we are discussing all this, and we are in that zone, it's a different energy that you feel inside, and in the moment you actually step into the day-to-day routine and interact with all kind of energies, so it's very I also find it difficult to stay in that zone, in that space within ourselves. So a lot of um, I don't know how it's going to happen, but yes, it's beautiful to create that space of love within us and stay in that zone. But as I said, it's we need to keep coming back to it. And as a reminder of coming back to it, it's best to at least read that one chapter that Bhumi said every day, to remind ourselves to be in that space throughout the day. So overall, it was like a beautiful journey that I've shared with everyone. And thank you everyone for this opportunity.
मेगा खत्म नहीं कर रहे हैं और एक वीक है. Just
I
saying.
know, but still, every opportunity to pay gratitude is good, no?
Great. Yes, indeed. Mazedar. And I think just one more reaffirmation. We do this. We never look back at how much we have covered. We are always looking at kitna aur baki hai. And maybe that also puts us in that above frequency. So I think anytime we feel lost in this journey, we can come back to, oh my God, how much we have covered. Like, over a month of doing this together, over a month of showing up here, over the month of giving tumhare most like busy time mein se 1 ghanta for this. Like, pushing so many of our boundaries, showing up, and not just here, in lives everywhere. I think it's literally shifting back to कितना किया है and feeling grateful for that, because कुछ ना कुछ तो रह ही जाएगा. I think enlightenment के बाद भी, like, they want to now, I don't know what is there after that, but कुछ ना कुछ तो रह ही जाएगा. So we might as well start enjoying कितना कुछ किया है and celebrate that. So I think whenever we want to beat ourselves for not being as loving, we can take a pause and see how much transformation we have caused, how quickly we are catching ourselves कि बेटा यहाँ गिरे हो. And thank ourselves and give love to ourselves. That's that simple. Start giving love to ourselves. What we start giving to us will reflect on the outside. Thank you, Megha, for sharing. Yes, Gaurav. Good to see you on screen. We have to bring you more there. We'll figure a way out और कल आ जाओ पढ़ने. One of the two.
ठीक है, तो क्या हम बात करें, ओनली लव एंड रिलेशनशिप और काइंडनेस आल्सो?
जो आपका मन करे.
नहीं भाई, दिस इज लाइक वेरी वेरी, दिस इज लाइक की टू आवर सोल व्हिच वी कॉल लव. देयर इन दिस, I mean, since the early age, I have seen that even kindness and respect sometimes is taken as, कई बार हम ऐसे काइंडनेस करते हैं हर एक के साथ, तो वो लगता है लोगों को कि व्हाई ही और शी इज सो गुड टू मी, दैट इट जनरेट्स सम डाउट इन देयर माइंड. बट होता क्या है, इट इज अबाउट द अदर पर्सन. अदर पर्सन इज वेरी काइंड, ही इज वेरी लविंग और शी इज वेरी लविंग. तो मेरे पास वैसे एग्जांपल्स भरे पड़े होते हैं, तुमको पता है, सो आई वाज लाइक वेरी, आई मीन 17 और 18 इयर्स ओल्ड. छोटी सी काइंडनेस का एग्जांपल है. तो आई मिस माय फ्लाइट इन बॉम्बे. तो उस वक्त बहुत कम फ्लाइट चलती थी और मुझे टर्मिनल कुछ गलती लग गई और मैंने फ्लाइट मिस कर दी. अब उसके बाद मुझे दिल्ली पहुंचना था, दिल्ली के बाद अमृतसर पहुंचना था, तो बहुत सारी चीजें थी. तो आई वाज लाइक छोटा बच्चा, 18-19 साल का, राहत हो रही है, अब फिर से जाऊंगा कहीं, होटल चेक इन करूंगा और क्या करूंगा. आई हेडेड टू रेलवे स्टेशन. ठीक है, वहां पे बहुत लंबी लाइन लगी है, टिकट ली और खड़ा हूँ ये सोच के, यार फ्लाइट मिस कर दी है, अभी 3 दिन बाद अमृतसर पहुंचूंगा, दूसरे दिन, सेकंड डे और थर्ड डे. और परेशान खड़ा हूँ और एकदम से ना कुछ वो जो अपने जो लेबरर्स होते हैं वो खड़ा हो कह रहा है, आप प्लीज हेल्प करेंगे. मैंने कहा क्या हुआ? कहता हमारा ना फोन नहीं चल रहा. सो आई जस्ट चेंज सिम और मैंने देखा ये सब करके फोन चल गया और मैं ट्रेन में बैठ गया. अब जगह है नहीं, इतना लंबा सफर है, कंफर्टेबल हमें जिंदगी चाहिए. अब मैं इसको बोल रहा हूँ, वो मेरे को बोल रहा है, कहता आप यहाँ बैठ जाइए. तो मैंने कहा ओके. तो मैं बैठा, मैं यही सोच में बैठा हूँ कि इतनी दूर जाना कैसे है. तो बॉम्बे के आगे कोई एक और स्टॉपेज है, बहुत जल्दी आ जाता है, सूरत है शायद, सूरत है या कोई ऐसा होगा. तो जो तत्काल टिकट्स होते हैं ना, दे आर फ्रॉम स्टेशन 1 टू स्टेशन लास्ट. तो अगर वो ट्रेन दिल्ली तक की है तो वो उसके पास तत्काल की टिकट्स थी. तो वो कहता कि आपको सिर्फ 1 घंटा ही अनकंफर्टेबल होना पड़ेगा, इसके बाद ये सारी सीट आपकी है. तो आई वाज लाइक कि 1 घंटा इतनी भरी भीड़ में मुझे एक पूरा बर्थ मिल रहा है और वो आदमी सिर्फ 1 घंटा. इट्स जस्ट एन एक्ट ऑफ काइंडनेस कि आपने उसका फोन पकड़ा और चला दिया. तो ऐसे बहुत छोटी छोटी स्टोरीज हैं. और मेरे को वो पूरा सफर याद है, बहुत सारे लोग रास्ते में मिले. एक न्यूली वेड कपल था, शी गेव मी हर चादर कि आप कुछ चादर ले लो. आई वाज लाइक तेरा हस्बैंड बैठा है, ये बैठा है, वो कहती डोंट वरी, यू टेक दिस चादर एंड स्लीप. तो यू नो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, इसको समराइज नहीं किया जा सकता. बट एक्चुअली जब हम लव की बात करते हैं, इट इज नॉट अ गिव एंड टेक, इट इज हु यू आर, right? And there is no give and take, there is no reciprocal. I have seen mountains moved with your love. People who are strangers, they don't only become your friends, they become your supporters in life. Totally strangers. You walk into a office, you walk into a government office, to a police station for some work, and then someone reaches out to you. What is the problem? Kya problem? And that guy turned out to be, I mean, later become a friend and then become a supporter. तो आपकी लाइफ टोटली ये एक्ट ऑफ काइंडनेस और लव से चलती है. बट की सिर्फ यही है कि आपको ये नहीं ढूंढना कि मुझे वापसी क्या मिल रही है, या मेरा एक्शन इस बेसिस पे नहीं होना चाहिए कि लाइक आई एम क्रिएटिंग सम स्ट्रक्चर कि मैं इस तरीके से दूंगा तो मुझे इस तरीके से मिलेगा. या तो आप करके छोड़ दो, या आप लव और काइंड का एग्जाम्पल बन जाओ. तो यही बस छोटी छोटी चीजें होती हैं. वॉट आई हैव सीन कि you become the love, you be the love. Don't look out for reciprocal things. और वो कहते हैं ना, पत्थर आखिरी चोट से टूटता है पर पहले की चोटें बेकार नहीं जाती. दिस इज व्हाट लव इज. इफ यू आर कीप कॉन्स्टेंटली गिविंग लव, एक दिन आपको वो रेसिप्रोकल चीज कहीं ना कहीं से आपको वापस जरूर मिलेगी. बट दैट्स इट. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ स्टोरीज यार. इट्स लाइक सम संघा काइंड ऑफ डिस्कशंस कभी होगी ना क्लोज रूम में, फिर बहुत बातें होंगी. इसको समराइज नहीं कर पाएंगे, ये बहुत ही बड़ा चैप्टर है ये. थैंक यू.
Thank you, Gaurav. Thank you for sharing. So I think we have taken all the sharings and nourished this chapter more. We have 6 minutes. मैंने एक बहुत दिन पहले एक presentation बनाया था. मैं सोच रही हूँ मैं share करूँ कि नहीं करूँ. I think again the intention was कि मैंने काफी बार यहाँ childhood बोला है कि चुप हो गया हंस के.
तुम्हें
So-
बोला जल्दी जल्दी बोल, वो शेयर वाली बात मैं पूछने वाली थी. पीडीएफ आ रहा है ना, आ रहा है.
नहीं, it wasn't planned, but I see it on my desktop. But anyway, so I think the moment we realize जो भी हम हैं, जो भी हम फील कर रहे हैं, जो भी आजू बाजू हमारे साथ है, वो हमारे इम्प्रिंट्स, वो हमने जो अपने अंदर इम्प्रिंट्स क्रिएट किए हैं by repeatedly feeling certain things, उसी का नतीजा है. That's why there is no way we can blame anybody. गीता में एक बहुत ही important word है निमित्त. बस सामने वाला निमित्त है, इज मिरर, और निमित्त है हमारे पास जो हमारे इम्प्रिंट्स है वो अनफोल्ड करने या वो लाने, वेदर इट इज गुड बैड एंड अगली. एंड टिल द टाइम वी डोंट एक्सेप्ट, एज वी सेड, सक्सेस के लिए फेलियर एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ेगा. लाइफ में ग्रोथ के लिए गिरना एंड पेन एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ेगा. एंड जितना डीप तुम्हारा पेन होगा, लाइक अगर एक गमला है वो इतनी मिट्टी में इतना ही उगेगा, but when in forest, because the mitti is so much, the manure is so much, the kind of way trees will grow, how strong and tall they will grow, will also be massive. So life mein har cheez is leading you to love. Even the pain that we think we received is caused by somebody is leading us to love. It can become the biggest manure for you to grow into the most sturdiest and the giantest of trees. सो अगेन ये किसी की बातें हैं जो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी. मेरे एक्सपीरियंस में नहीं है कि ये इम्प्रिंट्स क्या काम करते हैं कैसे. सो बोरोड बिलीव्स आई विल शेयर. आया क्या ये पीडीएफ? यू कैन सी. सो अगेन I've heard it from somewhere that we, depending on the imprints we have, we choose our parents, because they will teach us the lessons that we need to learn. And again, अगर वो लव दे रहे बट मेरा लेसन है अनलव का, तो what I will receive through my filters is that, like for me, as I keep saying, that my lesson was non security with money even in the secure environment, because my lesson was that. So तुम वो चाइल्डहुड में, वो बर्थ में, वो एक्सपीरियंसेस में तुम जो उसमें रिसीव करोगे वो तुम्हारे इम्प्रिंट्स के फिल्टर से ही रिसीव करोगे. दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन नेवर blame anybody for anything in our life, including our parents, because they are just showing what we will only experience, what we are. So we have only chosen our parents, before coming, the kind of lessons we had to learn, the kind of experiences we had to come. And we are in this earth school, so we are here to fall, to learn. And that's why nobody here will be perfect, nobody here can be perfect. So depending on our imprints, we'll choose our parents. And then again, depending on our imprints, जो childhood में चीजें होंगी, उसको हम अच्छा या बुरा इंटरप्रेट करेंगे और हमारे इम्प्रिंट्स को ही और स्ट्रॉन्ग करते जाएंगे और स्ट्रॉन्ग करते जाएंगे. एंड देन अगेन दीज 6-7 बिग एक्सपीरियंसेस ऑफ आवर चाइल्डहुड विल क्रिएट आवर होल पर्सनैलिटी. अब मैं ऐसी हूँ, अब भूमि ऐसी है, अभी भूमि सिंपल है, अभी भूमि स्पिरिचुअल है, तो अगेन वो चाइल्डहुड में सेफ रहने के लिए और लव पाने के लिए मैंने जो कोपिंग स्ट्रेटजीज डेवलप की, उसको मैं अभी मैं का हम शुरू कर देंगे, जो पर्सनैलिटी हम बोलेंगे. सो अगेन दीज आर चाइल्डहुड में लव और सेफ्टी पाने के लिए वो 5 ईयर की बच्ची ने जो कोपिंग स्ट्रेटजी डेवलप की, अभी उससे हम अपनी पूरी लाइफ बिताएंगे. तभी जो हमने सुना उसी के लेंस थ्रू हम खुद को देखेंगे और उसी के लेंस थ्रू हम वर्ल्ड को देखेंगे और वही सिचुएशन रिक्रिएट करते जाएंगे इन अवर रिलेशनशिप्स, इन अवर वर्क, इन अवर फ्रेंडशिप, एंड इन एवरी एरिया ऑफ योर लाइफ. And with that only, either we'll keep giving judgments to ourselves, and how we treat ourselves is how we will treat everybody around us also. So literally, again, our rishtas are mirror of how we are treating ourselves, you know. So जो हम personality बोल रहे हैं वो fear based coping mechanisms है, कुछ भी नहीं. तुम अगर उससे successful भी हो गए, तुम अगर उससे famous भी हो गए, but it's a barrier, it is something that will keep you जकड़ा हुआ. It's like Ravan, what Kanchu said, like, you know, the biggest of king, like the biggest of everything. Shiva has given him his blessings, but it will be on self-destruct because it is feeding the personality. It is feeding the false self. It is not real. It is false. But you assumed it to be real. So whatever will come through this will be painful because it is not supposed to work for you long enough. You know, whatever you'll pretend, you will never be. You know, success aayegi, then I'll feel better. You will never be that. You know, so whatever you achieve from your personality will be from lack. But the day we remember who we really are, the way we remember that divine in us, which is in everybody, and we identify to that essence. अभी तक मैं भूमि identify कर रही हूँ कि who is this. But the moment I realize Bhumi is just a layer I have put on to deal with this life, but I am something really else. Like, you know, there's a permanent sense, a permanent center in me that is there no matter what. And the day I start identifying with that, naturally a shift from love, fear to love will come. Naturally a shift from doubt to joy will come. Shame to freedom and truth will come. So moment अपना identification wrong है with this body and mind जो हमने accumulate किया है, the moment it shift to a ever changing essence, the most sacred essence in all of us, that we are the universe in the ecstatic motion, and not just I, everybody. And we are here to just play some roles and play some games and, you know, make each other remember that. We will see life will shift. And when we remember that essence in us, we will see that essence in everybody. And from there, a different journey, a different opportunity will start for all of us. So with that, and we see you all tomorrow with a new chapter and with new readers and with new insights. So yeah.
Thank you so much.
When the road gets tough and the sky turns gray, keep your head up high, you'll find your way. Every step you take, you're moving strong, even when it feels so wrong. Believe in yourself, don't be afraid to try. You were born to rise, you were made to fly. The power is there, it's always been true. Everything you need is already in you. When doubt creeps in, don't let it define. You've got the power, the strength to shine. Every step you take, you're finding your way. The courage you need is yours to claim. Believe in yourself, don't be afraid to try. You were born to rise, you were made to fly. The power is there, it's always been true. Everything you need is already in you. You've got everything you need, it's already inside. Trust in your heart, let your soul be your guide. You were born to rise, to conquer, to soar. The power you seek is already within. The power is there, it's always been true. Everything you need is already in you. When the road gets tough, keep moving strong. You've always got the strength, don't give up. Everything you need is already inside you.